Now let me go and show the first use case, setting up the sale price. So this white small, so this is a 8.50, and we can add the sale price. And in Elastic Path, you can select the timeline. So suppose your flash sale is 1 day or even 1 hour, you will able to set that in the Elastic Path. So right now I'm just keeping this blank, which means there is no time associated with the sale. And let me give this as the £6, and I'll add the sale and just go and publish the catalog, our product, and I'm able to see this sale price. So let me add that item into the Shopify. And now here as well, in the Shopify as well, the same price is being reflected, even though the sale price is driven from Elastic Path. So as part of the Shopify function, we are overriding some of the price as well, which is going into the Shopify cart and checkout.